Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and today we are checking out this gorgeous juicer from KOIOS. You guys, this is a masticating juicer, and what that means is you are going to get a higher yield of juice, better tasting juice, and more nutritious juice than the centrifugal kind. Also, you will notice that this all has BPA-free plastic parts that are dishwasher safe, really easy to assemble and to clean, and there's no super sharp blades, so even children can use this. It's a great way to add more nutrition into your diet, have all of your favorite juices, and sneak some extra vegetables in. So today I'm going to show this off. I've already started a little bit here, so you can see the process. I'm going to make some apple and carrot juice. I will tell you, I'll be honest with you guys, I don't always love to eat my vegetables, but I find that juicing them makes them so delicious, and it's a great way to sneak in some extra veggies into my diet. Carrots taste amazing when they're juiced. They are so sweet, so good. And so let's get started. I have some apples and carrots chopped up here. You are going to want you guys to get the best results to chop your fruits and vegetables into about 3-inch or so pieces. Take out any pits if you are using things like plums or something that has like a peach or something like that. Make sure you take those out. You don't want those going through the juicer. So your controls are very simple. You have a just off, hard, soft, and reverse. Reverse is for if things get stuck in there, you can kind of reset it. Soft is going to be for things like grapes or tomatoes, and your hard is going to be things like what we're doing today, carrots and apples. When in doubt, always go on the hard setting. So we will just press the hard button. You can see it going right there. And I'm going to drop in my carrots and my apples. So really cool, you guys will notice, this is crazy quiet. It's so much more quiet than a lot of the other juicers I've used, and it's a lot more quiet than making a smoothie, for sure. You'll notice you have a pusher. You don't have to use it every time, only if your fruit or vegetable isn't really getting picked up by the juicer, then you'll just kind of lightly push it down in there. You don't need a lot. It doesn't take a ton of force. It's really just, it all does it by itself. Very simple, very easy. Maybe you just give a little nudge, and then you notice the machine picks up the fruits and veggies for you. You'll notice we are getting a ton of juice, even though I'm juicing mostly carrots, and carrots, like carrots or beets, are things that, you know, don't always have a ton of natural juices in them. So a lot of times a good juicing tip for you will be to mix those things with something like an apple that has more juice. That way you really get a nice blend of juices. So you guys see how easy that is to make your own fresh fruit juice. I cannot wait to try a glass here. So I'm gonna take this out, give it just a little swirl. One thing that I love, you guys, about masticating juicers like this one is this juice is nice and cold. It is a slow juicer, so it's not going to have that swirling centrifuge that heats up your juices. Not only does that make it taste worse and make it be something that, you know, who wants a warm juice, right? It also denatures the nutrients. So by doing this a little slower, a little more mindfully, you are not only going to get more juice, it's going to taste better, but it also keeps all of those nutrients intact and makes sure that you are getting all of the vitamins and minerals that your apples and your carrots and whatever else you are juicing have to offer. That is amazing, absolutely amazing. So refreshing, so good. It's so nice and smooth. There's no pulp. It's just delicious, fresh, amazing juice. Fantastic. And you guys, I know that I can do this in only a few moments in the morning. I can take all this apart, put it in my dishwasher, go about my day, and be ready to juice again tomorrow morning or whenever I would like a fresh glass of juice. This is a great appliance. It looks beautiful. It looks great out on my counter. It kind of has this very modern retro vibe to it. So easy to use, only a few buttons. It is going to save you time, save you money, make you healthier, and keep you in stock of the most delicious, freshest fruit and vegetable juices that you can imagine. It's easy and it's safe enough for anyone in the family to use. Go ahead, you guys, pick one up today. You're gonna be really glad you did. So good.